Today, I'd like to walk you through an essential part of my portfolio as a data analyst, a financial feasibility study. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore together how this precise analysis can give us a comprehensive understanding of how a shared manufacturing company can stay profitable for the next 10 years. As we dive into the document, you'll quickly realize that it entails more than just a series of numbers and graphs. It's a complete financial narrative that unfolds as we progress through its various sections. Our journey begins with the sales projection. It's important to note that this forecast isn't based on speculation, but rather on a thorough analysis of the relevant markets. This analysis provides a solid foundation for what follows. Next, we look at the production plan. This is meticulously designed to align with the projected demand for the product. These precise calculations are performed using specialized tools like Excel, which allows us to connect the outcomes with predefined parameters. As we continue, we look at financial statements in detail. These numbers aren't random. They're, they are a part of a big financial picture that help us understand what's going on. We dive deeper when we examine the balanced forecast and introduce the idea of economic value added, which tell us more about how much value the company creates. Cash flow management is also truly addressed, looking at how money flows in and out of the company. We plan this out carefully to make sure that the company's money is used wisely. But the most important part is when we dig into detailed analysis of the business finances. This is where the numbers really matter, and we can see if the project is a good idea when we consider all the important factors. Lastly, we must remember how valuable this study is for potential investors. It gives them reliable information so they can make smart decisions knowing if the project will make money. I hope you find this exploration helpful and interesting, and excited to share more about data analysis in the future. Bye!